What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Lil Roy TV, and we back with another video. If you're watching this might be the second video, third video, first video, whichever video you're watching, whichever order. Yes, I'm wearing the same Nike hoodie, so let's go. Like I said in the other video, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We're on our way to 400 subs, as well as comment, because I respond to all my comments. And you see the title, you see we're about to go over. I'm gonna be away for the holidays, so I'm trying to record as much as videos as I can, content, so I can give you guys some videos even though I'm still working. So no further ado, let's get right into the video. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, and as well check out the main channel. Those two links will be down below in the description. Thank you, and let's get right into the video. Alright, so off rip, just like the other video, I gotta read the thing. So it's funny how the other Yeezy video, I won a men's GS, but the men's I won it in store, so I picked it up. And the GS I got for shipped to me. Now these Yeezys, I won the GS in store, and then the men's was shipped to me. So I do have a size 10 men's coming in. Yeah, I couldn't wait to get them because I don't know how long they're gonna take. But I'll show you the GS size in these, which is perfect because I want to talk about GS sizes, I swear. I say this on my video. GS sizes are so cute and just the perfect sizes. No matter what size it is in GS, 5.5 through 7. I just love GS. They're so cute. And that's why I need a girlfriend that wears sneakers. I came to the conclusion, even though I get sneakers and I don't want to buy it for my girlfriend or whatever the case is and spend money, I just need someone that's involved with sneakers, because I had a girlfriend before that was not into fashion, which was cool, and it was a different perspective. But I need someone now going forward. Like I had my recent ex, I know, if y'all know from the OG videos, who wears this size specifically, that size 6. Yeah, me and her no longer together, but every time I would get a 6, I would have to be like, oh god, she might want it. And then I would have to just sell it to her, because, like, shit ain't free. Like, I'm not just buying you sneakers every time. This is a business. You understand? So, long story short, this intro may be too long. Yes, I'm realizing this is the intro, not the video. All right, so let's get into it. Wait. Is this the intro? I don't know. All right, whatever. If this is... my head is all over. I don't even know if I cut it off for the intro, but if this is not the intro, then my fault. I made a mistake. So let's get right into it. Y'all see the title. Y'all see what this is. Yeezy Boost. Just in case, I'm really thinking I didn't cut it off. Alright, either way, off rip. I gotta say that, off rip. Off rip, right here, Yeezy Boost, Adidas. Right there, made by Adidas. Like I said, size 6 men's / GS. What they call these ones, I know it's the Yeezy Boost 350 V2s, but they call it the MX Rock, Moon Rock. So yeah, like I said, I hit a men's pair, size 10 to ship to me, and the size 6 I had to pick up. Yeezys are like high end, so I got this in the, far end store pickup. There's no local pickup. I don't know. Oh my god, look how cute this looks. Oh my gosh, yo. I need a girlfriend. I need to copper some Yeezys. Wow. GS Yeezys are so fucking cute. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. I'm still worried that I didn't cut it off for the intro. I'll be right back. Let me cut this off and let's see. Alright, so yeah. When I was filming, I did cut it off for the intro. I thought I was just one take from intro to the video, but I did film an intro and I did cut it off. Okay, so let's continue. Like I said, GS, this is a size 6. Look how tiny this looks. I don't know if you can't tell from each angle, but just look how cute this looks. My mom is thinking about keeping this because this is her size as well as my ex-girlfriend, and it's funny how I've been hitting Yeezys and Dunks and a whole bunch of sneakers more often in my ex-girlfriend's size, which is also my mom's size. And it's like, I'm the GOAT because I do what I do. But it's like, see, if she was still with me, she could have got some Yeezys, could have got some Dunks. Now she got to pay resale for everything, because I know she can't just give up and say, I'm not into sneakers. When you're in sneakers and you're into fashion and clothing, you could just never give it up. The same reason why you watching, the same way I'm recording, the same way I shop, still post pictures. The reason why we all do is because we're part of a community. We just can't give it up. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just inevitable. Like, you wake up, you want to look nice, You can't just sell all your stuff and be like, okay, what do I wear? You gotta wear something. But yes, the Moon Rock, Yeezy, 350 Boost, GS size, like I said, right hand the flush. Now, I didn't even know, because, you know, on the international, it looks different. But this is dead ass. I really don't want to do this to myself. I don't want to keep these. I don't want to keep them. I'm ready about to get something in a trade. I'm about to trade, I'm not going to say nothing. But basically, I'm going to get something of Yeezys soon, and I'll film it for you guys, my reaction, my video for it, because obviously I've been wanting it. It's my first Yeezy ever, but I even though this is brown and black and it's a calm colorway, like I could literally keep this because it's a Yeezy. I don't have to wear my it could be my version of like my mochas, because like I get certain dunks because I don't want to wear my Jordan version of the colorways now, so I don't have to wear my mochas all the time and dirty it. It's my only one pair. You know, mochas is a big deal. I could just wear these because I have, like I said, I have a size 10 coming in. It's brown and black. Just in case you guys can't tell, it is brown and black. So, oh my God, I really don't want to keep the 10. Like, when it comes in, I really don't want to keep it. I just want to sell it and keep it moving. I don't need to keep copping personals. I'm not trying to be an OD hype beast and keep a pair of Yeezys. Now, holding this GS, man, it just makes me want to keep it, even though it's a GS. Oh my God, yo, I just love shoes. Either way, let me know if you guys grabbed this the other day. Did you take a L? Did you take a W, ladies? Like I said, this is a 6. And if you watch my other Yeezy video, I have a size 6 as well in the orange belugas. So let me know if you're trying to cop a pair. I have it for sale. Either way, this shoe is amazing. It's cute. I do like this. I really don't want to keep it in my size when I get it in the mail. But let me know what you think about these. This black and brown, do you think it's a solid keep, or is it a calm pass? Let me know. And did you take a L? Did you take a W? Let me know in the comments. And that's it for me, guys. I got another video to film back to back to back. It's the second video, but by the time you're watching this, it could be the third, first, or second. Either way, thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy's out. I'll see you guys on the flip side. One little final look. A little brown there, but yes, I did not know it was like really black brown until I got it in hand. So this is definitely a perfect shoe if you want to keep it personal. I'm not mad at you because I still might. But other than that, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, hit the link in the description. Main channel and Instagram. Those 2 links are the only 2 links you guys have to check out. Those other links I have, it does not matter. Instagram, main Instagram, I think, yeah, I have second Instagram. Main Instagram and second channel, which is the main channel. Whichever way I have it in the description. Check those 2 links out. That's all I care about. And that's it. Happy holidays if you're watching this during the holidays or before or after, whichever day I post, whatever. Yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy's out. See you on the next one.